walked through fire, I've crossed the line. Every scar I bear, it all is mine. The crown I wear is made of pain. In this world of shadows, I'll stake my claim. Blood for the throne, I'll pay it all. In the rise of power, I'll never fall. A mafia king with eyes of stone. Blood for the throne is all I own. I've heard the whispers, I've seen the lies, but I stand unbroken with no disguise. The cost is high, but I won't bend. In this game of shadows, I rule the end. Blood for the throne, I'll pay it all. In the rise of power, I'll never fall. A mafia king with eyes of stone. Blood for the throne is all I The streets remember the deals I made. The night still echoes the path I've laid. Blood for the throne, forever mine. A king in silence till the end of time. The city trembles when I appear, a silent ruler, they call me fear. Every secret I'm making mine. Cross my path, you pay the fine. I'm the king of the shadows, where the night obeys. Every soul that follows has to walk my way. No mercy given, no debt unpaid. I'm the king of the shadows, in the dark I reign. I see betrayal, I feel the hate, but in this chaos, I seal their fate. No justice, no holy sun, only the code that's written mine. I'm the king of the shadows, where the night obeys. Every soul that follows has to walk my